Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Out today on the Trail 125 riding with Paul. He's got a beast like mine. Green machine. But we're out on Fort Huachuca military base. Checking out some trails, and he knows more of this than I do for sure. If you know anything, you know more than I do. So now he's going to take me and show me where a cemetery place is. An old cemetery. But it's a beautiful day. Overcast and 80. We're at 5,425 feet right now. 11:06 a.m. And right now it's actually only 70 degrees. So there's a lot more trails on this military base than I realized. I just got to come back and do more exploring to see where they go. You don't know if you don't go. There is a vehicle. Yeah, I can't believe they brought some of them cars that far up in there. Because this ain't really made for cars. Them all in. Goodness gracious. Ding, I heard a rock hit your skid plate. Yeah, we're getting down in the civilized world down here now. It's pretty nice up in these canyons. It's gonna be hot down in Sierra Vista, and you go up in the mountains and it's a lot of difference in the temperature. Earlier, if you look back on my Trail 125 videos, we was up in the pines and junipers. Now we're pretty much down in the oaks, and there's a lot of sycamores through here too, because we're in this creek bottom in this canyon. But there's a lot more oaks here, and we keep going, we'll be into the mesquite. Gotta get down in the 4,000 to 4,600 foot range to get in the mesquites. Yeah, I like this paved section here. Yeah, when you're in that rough stuff, you really got to keep your eyes on the rocks so you can pick a line through them. That breeze feels good. There's a playground. I don't think they maintain that much from it looks all them weeds. There's some more troops. There's another playground. Campsites or something for day use area. One of the others bathrooms. Oh yeah, they're headed back. Here is the Rovers. That's that same dog that done it last time. The only dog, and he done it again on the way back out of here. Is this smooth enough for you? Alrighty. Burt Road. Oh man, the fun riding looks like it's down in that ditch. Don't mind Paul, he always just rides on the wrong side of the road. You gotta make wide swings. That's true. You can see where everybody's rubbed the curb with their tires. Yeah, I'm doing 14 right now. Got the military police out here. Post Cemetery. Established May 18th, 1883. But it's nice up here anyway. Look at all the grass. How fancy it is. Probably lots of military in there, huh? But pretty much, probably all of them are, most of them.
And civilians, some little children died, back in the day.
Yep. Morning Hearts, a soldier's family. There's a lot of tombstones. And they're all pretty much the same, ain't they?
There's one from July of 24.
Yep.
The ones that are near the gate, I think you'll find some of the 1800s.
There's one May of 24. 2024. So newer, the further back must be, huh? It's actually a nice cemetery. Wind blowing pretty good. Look at them oak trees. There's even some deer out there. One of them trees over there.
Oh yeah, cool.
They probably like it out here, all this nice grass.
I reckon.
Yeah, they don't have no dates on them.
There's an 1895.
Yeah, there you go. There's an old one. Infant daughter of Joseph and Margaret Leach. Died February 27th, 1895, age 2.5 days. (1920), 1804, so it's 1804, and then died 1920. Or 1894, I guess. That'd be more like it. Not 1804. 1894, died 1920. Pretty nice back in here. We're getting low enough, we're seeing mesquite trees now. There's a gold wing. That's the older version. That's one like John's got. I think his is a 2008. Mine's a 2023. Lots of walnuts down in here. Oh, can you? Oh yeah, I see the cannon, yeah. Huh. Butler Road. So the name of this building is called what? Hangman's Warehouse. Yeah, these days, so many bleeding hearts, they probably take a sign down. Don't want to hurt somebody's feelings. It's neat how they did the rocks, put them all flat. Huh. Look at that. That's a place for a tent canopy or whatever. Oh, they train dogs there. Okay. Yeah, I see a big dog trailer there. Really? Old barracks. I seen there's some at Wichita City down in the canyon there, old ones, and they actually came from over here. They moved them over there. Somebody, I don't know if they bought them or he just got them for free because he took them, but they big long bearings, they moved them over there. Of course, they're rotted down now. Totally closed off. And that was a ball field or what? Huh. So did you live here on base when you was a teenager? Cavalry Park. I guess it's cavalry. Not cavalry, it's cavalry. Henry Circle. That's where you lived when you was 17 to 19? Yeah, yeah. They got lots of parks. There's a pond. People fishing in that dude. Oh yeah. Must be it's spring fed, you can tell by the moss. Says the lakeside terrace. I guess they call that a lake over there. Yeah. That little pond. Yeah, I guess so. Probably the only one, ain't it? Well, pretty interesting to see anyway. I've not been out in this park. None of this. Showed me some stuff I'd never seen. I probably would have never found that. I had no idea. I will. I'll follow you out to town and then we'll catch you later. But I had fun. Good ride. Made some videos, so you're going to be on videos. That last guy I went to ride with, he said, don't put me on the videos. And he said, I'm not going to be on videos. I said, well, if you don't want to be on videos, you're going riding with the wrong person. That's what I do. I mean, that's... Yeah, you might be famous. They'll probably Hollywood will be calling you. Yeah. All right, take care. Thank you. So that was an interesting ride today. Paul showed me a lot of stuff I didn't know. I'm always interested in learning and learning new areas and places to explore and learning like even about the military base here, stuff I didn't know. So I'm gonna get off here, guys, in this video. I first want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, who is the Savior of the world. God bless you all. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll be notified when I put out a new video. Catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.